In this video, I'm gonna do a quick review on a product called Easy Cash Club. It makes multiple money-making YouTube videos within minutes. I'm gonna talk about the pros, the cons, and do a live demo coming up. Eric Rodriguez here, and if it's your first time to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Now, I'm a full-time entrepreneur and I do reviews on products and courses to help you live an abundant life. And today, I'm gonna do a quick review on a product called Easy Cash Club. Okay, so right behind me I have the landing page. I wanna go over the landing page, go over a few things so you get the main idea of the product. Then, most importantly, I wanna show you a small little clip where the creator, he goes over the possibilities as far as how much money you can make with this product. Then I'm gonna sign up for it, then I'm gonna go into the members area and I'm gonna show you a live demo so you can see exactly what's back there and how it works, okay? Okay, so what is Easy Cash Club? Easy Cash Club is a product that is going to make you multiple videos very quickly and very easily that also is going to produce multiple streams of income. Now, you don't have to be on video, you don't have to download video software, you don't even have to write content if you don't want to. It is very easy, just follow the steps and you have multiple videos within minutes, very, very quickly. All right, so let's go over the landing page and I want to show you the video where he says as far as how much money it is possible to make with these videos, because you already know that some YouTubers, famous YouTubers, make millions of dollars each and every year. So it is possible. Now let's just get a little piece of that pie, and I don't know about you, but I will be happy about it. So we'll just check it out. All right, so here's the landing page. Here's the video that I want to show you, but we'll come back real quickly. Here's to get early access. It is going to show you how to make money each and every day, how to get started and make money today. And then you also get 4 free bonuses. Bonus number 1 is a 60-second money-making strategy. Bonus number 2, get free content to make videos. Bonus number 3 is get paid to surf the net. And bonus number 4, you're gonna get updates for life. Now there are only 9 licenses left, so we have to act quickly. So let me show you the video real quickly.
I soon discovered that YouTube is actually the second biggest search engine on the internet, right after Google. Also, every single minute of every single day, more than 600 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube every single minute. I also found out that on average, every 1,000 people that view the video makes the video owner about $5. That means if you uploaded a video and it got over 100,000 views, you would on average make about $500. But that is only part of the money you make. You also make money from links you place near the bottom of the video. Anytime someone who sees your video clicks on one of those links and either buys or signs up for something through it, you'll also make money. Cool, huh? Just assume that about 1 person for every 1,000 people who views your video sign up for something. You'd make an extra $25 each time. So now for every video you upload that gets 100,000 views, you can make $500 plus the affiliate commission, which would be $25 times 100 or $2,500. That is approximately $3,000 for every 100,000 views.
All right, so there you have it. You see how much money you can make and how much it's possible? A 6-year-old is making $6 million on YouTube just simply by just opening toys and doing a small little review. That is crazy. I don't know. I got excited about that, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign up and I'm gonna meet you in the members area. And by the way, when you sign up, you do have a 60-day, 100% money back guarantee, and the product is only $37. That's it. That is it. I'll see you later. Okay, so I signed up to the Easy Cash Club, and here's the members area. Let me show you. All right, so welcome to Easy Cash Club. You made a great decision joining Easy Cash Club. We're going to show you step by step how to use the Easy Cash Club software in order to create loads of profit-generating videos. But first, take a look at the exclusive bonuses we have for a few lucky members below. So here's some extra bonuses that you can take a look at when you sign up, and then these are your quick start tutorial videos. You have lesson number 1, overview of how the Easy Cash Club works, find topics, how to create engaging YouTube thumbnails, formats that work, Easy Cash Club fast money making methods, how to find content for free, how to use Easy Cash Club software, how to upload Easy Cash videos to YouTube, and insert your affiliate links so you can make some money. Then you also have your bonuses here that were on the previous page. Bonus number 1, 60-second money making secret. And then you have free video content forever. And then you can download the guide, which is paid to surf the net, so you can make another stream of income. Then you have VIP upgrades if you want that. And then here we are, the actual club, or the Easy Cash Club software. Click here to access. Now here it is. This is all it is, very simple. I got the basic package, so I have a video voiceover, and her name is Julie. So all I do is just get some text, paste it in here, and it's going to read it for me. So here we go. So I went here and let's say, I don't know, the keto diet. Just let's see how it works here. Then we come back, we're going to paste it. Make sure it's an L. We have like. And then if you also want to, if you don't want to use the voiceover, you could also just do a video or an audio file, or put some music, whatever kind of audio file you want to put it if you want to get a little fancy. So it's processing. Here it is. Now, here's for your images. Pretty much all you do is just get some images and you put it in here that is related to your video. So you could use your own images, or within the software itself, you could search for images. So let's just say diet. And there we go. Now we just pick and choose. Let's go with strawberries. I like grapes, pomegranate. I like tangerines, olive oil, and lemonade. Make it very simple. So there we go. Those are videos that are in use. And then you could customize as far as how long you want it or where you want to place it within the video itself. And then all we do is video preview.
The first woman, the second woman was also strict the first week and lost a few pounds. She was encouraged. She also went out to eat, but somehow found the willpower to stick with keto food choices. In week 2, she lost even more weight. In the span of 14 days, she'd lost 11 lbs and counting.
And that is it. You see how easy that is? That is one video, and how long did it take us? What, 2 minutes to make that? And then in the other videos in the training that you saw, it tells you how to insert your links as far as your affiliate links, and that's how you get paid. Now, YouTube does have some requirements for you to sign up with Google AdSense. Now, I'm sure you watch videos on YouTube, and it is at Google AdSense are the ads that start in the beginning or in the middle or towards the end of the video. Every time someone watches that, you get paid X amount of cents or dollars depending on the niche that you do. Now, in the beginning, you have to make as many videos as you can, because you have to get as many subscribers as you can as fast as possible, and also get as many view hours as much as possible as well, so you could qualify for the Google AdSense. That's one way to make money. And then also you put some links that are relevant to your video on the bottom in the description, and it works very, very well. So for instance, like this is a keto diet, you could simply go to ClickBank and find a keto diet affiliate product, get your link, put it in the description, and voila, there you go. Now, I know it takes a little time as far as if it's a brand new channel, so you could also sign up for Google, or sorry, not Google, but YouTube ads. And when you sign up for Google or for YouTube ads as a brand new member, they actually give you, if I'm not mistaken, it's $25 for free that you could use for their advertising. So you could get views for like 7 cents. So you could probably spend like $5 on each of your videos. That way you could get a few views and you could start making money within hours. Simple, right? So the main thing of this video here is I wanted to show you the insides, the outs, the pros and the cons. Now the pros, this is exciting. You can make a lot of money. It's fast and it's easy. You saw how easy it was. Now, the cons, the only thing that I did not like was when I signed up for the basic, I only get one voiceover, and that robot voiceover is okay. So I will take a little bit of time and I will go ahead and make my audio voice. So I will go into let's say, an article of whatever my video is going to be, and I'll just read it into a little microphone, or my computer has a microphone, and just make an audio file and just upload it there. And voila, there you go. Upload it to YouTube, put the description, put links in the description, and I start making money. Super, super simple. Okay, so question of the day. Would you like to make 5, 10, 50, or 100 videos per day so you could explode your YouTube channel and also your income? Let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to connect with you below. And also, sometimes our community members have the best tips, strategies, and advice, so definitely connect with our community members in the comment section. So thank you very much for watching my video. Definitely subscribe if you want more videos like this one. And remember, I put the product notes in the description. And until next time, keep working on your dreams and don't ever, ever give up. Talk to you soon.